Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of this gorgeous unit by Sensationnel. And I'm also going to be doing a mini demo of how I do my wig installations. If you guys want a full in-depth video on how I do my wig installs, just definitely let me know and I will make sure to do that. But for today's video, we're just going to be talking about the wig and I'm kind of going to be giving you my thoughts on it. So as I mentioned before, this wig is from Sensationnel and it is their What Lace Swiss Lace Cloud 9 wig line. And the specific wig that I have is called Morgan. I have her in this really pretty red burgundy color, which is perfect for the fall time, perfect for the winter. So the color straight off the package was really nice and really impressive to me. As far as the wig construction, it's pretty typical. You have your two clips on the side of the wig and then one at the bottom. And now with this lace is some of the best lace I've seen on a synthetic unit. This is their Swiss lace, so it's easy to work with, it's translucent, high quality, you know, all the good stuff. And the hairline already comes pre-plucked, so you don't even have to do that, and that saves a lot of time already. This hairline straight off the bat was really nice. You can tell that, you know, they really took their time with this, because, you know, you're not gonna have to spend time to try to pluck the hairline and customize it and blah blah. So far so good. Now as far as the cap size, I would definitely say that it is big head friendly. I do I got a big old head, so it did take a little bit, you know, of tug and pull to get the wig on, but eventually I was able to put the wig on. And also the braids underneath, you know, my cap aren't the flattest, so that also might have something to do with it. But eventually I was able to put the wig on. For my install, I am using Ghost Bond. I wanted it to be, you know, as flat and as laid as possible. That's why I'm using Ghost Bond, but it's not, you know, a necessity. You don't necessarily have to use Ghost Bond. You could probably get away with, you know, using Got to Be and, you know, stuff like that. But I just wanted it to be as flat as possible. So I'm just using a really thin layer of Ghost Bond because you really don't need too much. All in all, this hair was like really easy to work with. And the texture of the hair, like the hair fibers themselves, was really nice. It was nice and smooth and bouncy. Every time I would brush the hair, you know, would come right back nice and flowy. So that's something that, you know, you usually don't see with synthetic unit. I feel like this wig, you know, mimics the expensive units very well. And as you can see, with, you know, little to no work, basically the hairline looks amazing, y'all. It did not take me a long time to, you know, put this wig on at all. The hairline is absolutely stunning, you know, by itself. I really didn't have to do much to it. And y'all, just look at this hair. Like, it's the shine for me, it's the color for me, it's the bounce for me. Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry, I'm just excited. Like, I haven't worn synthetic hair in a minute, and so for me to come back and pick this as my first unit back, like, this is absolutely amazing and impressive to me. Like, Sensationnel did an awesome job with this wig. So on the box, it doesn't say if you're able to use heat on this, but clearly you can. But obviously don't go too crazy with it, because at the end of the day, this is still, you know, a synthetic unit. So make sure you're being careful with the amount of heat that you apply to it. But it did take very well to my hot comb. I was able to use it, you know, no problem. Nothing was melting or anything. But like I said, just be careful with that part. All in all, guys, I would definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. Like, this is, I'm impressed, and I absolutely love this wig, and I'm really excited to do more reviews from Sensationnel with a Cloud 9 line. So I will definitely be doing more wig reviews from this specific line. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely be back with more of these videos. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.